This is your first tutorial, Introduction to Adobe After Effects. So let's start. Adobe After Effects is a digital motion graphics and compositing software published by Adobe Systems. Now, it has a long history of being passed from company to company, but Adobe Systems are its latest publishers. This is a software where you can do all your motion graphics, visual editing, video editing, managing your audio, creating logo animations, creating different animations of texts, and let's say creating animations like montage animation, which consists of animation of pics and slides, etc. This is a very powerful software and is one of the most powerful softwares being used in today's time. This program is a layer-based program, and because of its layer-based properties, it is called as a 2.5D program. So Adobe After Effects is not actually a 3D program. Instead of being a three-dimensional program, it is a 2.5D program, which means that it gives the illusion of being in 3 dimensions. And by being layer based, it is meant that it behaves on a pattern of being on a top to bottom basis. Now you will get to know more about this in the later tutorials. For now, there is one thing I do want to tell you before we go further into the software. One thing that we need to remember is that if we save the After Effects file, it will be saved in the format of .aep format. Now, .aep is After Effects project. So if you see any .aep files from now on, that means that those files are After Effects projects. Now we will get started working in the software from the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.